Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to do my August empties. If you haven't seen empties from me before, I will link my playlist for you guys. But basically, I share with you guys beauty, skincare, hair care, fragrance kind of products that I've used completely up during the month. Now that doesn't mean I started using them this month, but they are when I finish the products. I also have a declutter in here as well that might shock you guys, but let's get into it. I have a lot of good products to share with you guys, so if you're interested in seeing these products, then keep watching. Okay, so let's just pull it out at random. First thing here is from Origins. This is the Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash, and this is my favorite face wash to use on the daily. It is kind of like a white cream, like a thick cream, but when you suds it up on your face, it kind of gives a frothy, kind of clean, bubbly feeling, so it makes me feel like I'm definitely washing my face. Gives that squeaky clean kind of feel to your face. Also really love this scent. It's kind of like a pepperminty kind of scent, so if you don't like that, stay away. It doesn't kind of sting or do anything crazy to your face. I think it's pretty gentle. It doesn't have any beads or anything like that, but highly recommend this. I always have one of these. I definitely need to repurchase another one. The next thing here is another skincare product. This is from First Aid Beauty. It is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. This is the unscented version. I'm right now using a tube of the pink grapefruit. Almost done with this, and this is something I highly recommend you guys check out. So it's fragrance free, cruelty free, allergy tested, everything like that, safe for sensitive skin. And this is something I have now switched to. I used to be using like Bath and Body Works lotions, Aveeno lotions, different kind of lotions like that, and scented lotions, all that kind of stuff. And since switching to this and using it for body, hands, face, you name it, I have definitely noticed a huge difference in my skin. I'm even using this on my belly for like belly butter, so highly recommend you guys try this out if you've kind of been like having a hit miss with a lot of your lotions, or finding that you're getting kind of dry hands, especially in the winter time, is when I started using this just for hand cream, but then it's kind of evolved to like my all over cream. Highly recommend this. I do like the pink grapefruit one too. I haven't noticed any irritation with that with me, but definitely something I always kind of recommend you guys check out. We'll just kind of keep with skincare right now, but I do have two sunscreens that we've been using in this summer. I have the Coola. This is the classic sunscreen spray. This is the fragrance free SPF 50 from Coola. I absolutely am obsessed with their sunscreens, face, lip, body, everything, you name it. I really like their pina colada and their coconut scented ones, and the fragrance free. I'm not a fan of that peach one by any means, but highly recommend this one. And then the Coppertone, this is the Sport 50, is what we kind of use when I can't find the Coola one. This one's more available at like Target, Walmart, you name it. So every now and then we do use this one. My husband will reach for this one a little bit more than Coola just due to price difference. But for me, I definitely try and stick with the Coola one for me during the summertime. Another thing that I actually left downstairs, but I'm going to just tell you guys about it. I talk about it almost every empties, is my Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. Love this stuff. I've tested it against the Clinique eye makeup remover in a specific video. I can link it up above for you guys. Highly recommend it. I use it with my makeup eraser to take off waterproof eye makeup and mascara, things like that. So gentle on your eyes, doesn't leave your eyes feeling greasy or anything like that. So check that out if you are interested in an eye makeup remover. That's kind of the liquid duo kind of shaker one. Another skincare item I have here is from Bath and Body Works. This is the Whipped Vanilla Chiffon shower gel, and this is actually my last shower gel from Bath and Body Works. I have been told by my dermatologist to switch off of these. I've been using the summer ones that I had and haven't been noticing too much eczema or anything like that. It's definitely when it's cold in the winter months is when like it gets really bad. But yeah, so if I get these and receive these as gifts, I will use them, but I probably should not continue to purchase them. I haven't been buying like their hand soaps or anything like that either. So I really like the scent of this. If you're interested in it, it is wild vanilla bean, spun sugar, a white peach blossom, so a nice kind of all year scent. But for me, I'm not going to go out and purchase that stuff anymore. What I do with Bath and Body Works now is just get the hand sanitizer pocket bags, and the candles right now is all I've been really doing. Speaking of candles, I do also have makeup coming very soon, but I just brought up candles, so I figured I'll share with you what I've burned. I have a strawberry pound cake. This is from Bath and Body Works. It is their single wick, and this is fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. And definitely on the sweet side, but because it was one wick, it wasn't too overpowering or anything like that. So I would purchase this again, probably in the single wick form, but I did really like this scent. I remember liking it for body wash as well, but don't buy that anymore. And then this last one is kind of a yearly, I always use and burn, is an Island Margarita. I would recommend getting the 3 wick of this, though. It wasn't super powerful in the throw or anything like that, so I really like this scent. I think it's perfect for spring, summertime. Burned really nice evenly, as you can see, so I love those 2 scents for the spring, summertime. Let's get into that makeup. Like I mentioned, I have used up an eyeshadow. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Vanilla eyeshadow, and I use this to kind of set my eye primer all over. It was kind of like a matte white shade. Now I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Fresh, and that's what I've been using since then. I don't believe they sell vanilla anymore, but it's still been working good. I still really like having that kind of base over my eyeshadow primer, so look into the Fresh one if you can't find vanilla like I can. Then I have a liner here. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, waterproof in Trooper Black, and I feel like I did a video of this. I can't remember. Honestly, it's good. I probably won't buy from Kat Von D. This was just kind of in my stash. I haven't bought from them since all the drama back a couple of years ago. I know she's not a part of KVD Beauty anymore, but I mean, I don't know. I'm just not a big fan personally of the kind of aesthetic and everything with it, so it was okay if I have it in like a set, like a liner set. I'll use it, but not my favorite. Another eyeliner that was not my favorite, and I'm actually decluttering, is my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk eyeliner, and this is a pencil eyeliner, and what I just kind of found with it is it was dragging on my eyes, not making a smooth line on my eyes. That is what it looks like on my hands. Super beautiful, creamy, but on my eyes it was just getting patchy, dragging on my lids, and I was just not about that life, and I wasn't going to keep trying to use it. I do really like the kind of plumness of it, so maybe I'll look into kind of a different plum kind of eyeliner. But I think too, it's just, I like using liquid eyeliners. It's my favorite thing to do. Easy, goes on nicely. I will say right now I'm using the Stila one. I bought it from Amazon, and I don't know if it's just the heat and the humidity, but I'm noticing right in my inner corners like it rubbing off, which I'm not used to with my Stila ones. So I don't know if it's because I purchased from Amazon and it wasn't legit or what, but it's very interesting. I just wanted to note that for you guys. Another declutter I have in here this month is from Tarte. This is their Sugar Rush line, which is kind of like their teeny bopper, like teenage line. And this is their Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick and Cake Pop. And I really like the scent of this. It smells like a cupcake, but the coloring on me was just not right. It was kind of like a really, really pale pink, as you can see, and just didn't look very flattering on my lips. I definitely like, this is probably the pinkiest I will go. Like, this is Pillow Talk, but I like kind of more berries, reds, or like a deep pink than like this like really pale light pink on my lips. It just, I wasn't a fan of how it looked. And then I have a mascara I used, but this was also kind of like a declutter. There's still mascara in here. This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Mascara, and I love the shape of the wand, how it curves. Those are kind of my favorites, and then you can push up your lids and then push the eyelashes up that way. But I don't believe this was waterproof whatsoever. I don't think it says it was waterproof, but yeah, it just would bleed on me or rub on me, and it was very thin on my lashes. Wasn't giving me the volume I was wanting in general, like when I first applied it before it not being waterproof. So definitely was not worth me continue to try and use. Right now I'm using the Maybelline The Rocket mascara, and definitely we kind of want it to be a little bit more volumizing, but it definitely is waterproof for that one. So I have continued to use that. Then the last product here is a hair product. This is the Suave Morrocon Infusion Shine Conditioner, and I picked this up for my beach trip during the summertime, and I didn't want to bring my big kind of huge, like, I don't know, tub of conditioner. And I also used the Redken heavy cream, which is my favorite, but I wanted to try and just get something really cheap. This is what I used to use before then. I liked the conditioner. Shampoo is still not my favorite. It still is not as moisturizing and luxurious to use in my hair as my Redken one. So every now and then I will go out and purchase this, but I still, Redken heavy cream is my diehard for conditioner, and I do need to buy another bottle of that very soon. But that is everything for this month's empties. Again, I will post my last video in the cards if you're interested in the month before, and I'll keep you guys updated with any products that I use up or declutter. Let me know if there's any products that you recommend me try out this month in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do, 'cause I'm not gonna let